Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Welcome back to the All About Lynn's Journal YouTube.
And today, where do we want to go?
We want to go to IKEA Jakarta Garden City.
With our whole family. You may be thinking we want to do a vlog, but today we want to do a food review. So we're on our way to IKEA Jakarta Garden City and we'll see you there.
Bye.
Okay guys, we're here and now we have to squeeze a lemon. Yum yum. How do you squeeze this thingy? Let's squeeze lemon all over the food. Okay guys, so right now we already squeezed lemon on top of our fish and chips. This is here. Now we want to try the fish. So we're gonna try this. Okay, I'm gonna try a bit of it. Yummy. Oh wow. Good. Tastes better than the one that we tried in our other food review. Now we're gonna try the chip, not the chips, the french fries. It's yummy. I already tried the french fries. We're gonna try the sweet and sour fish after we finish this one. So after this, we're gonna try the sweet and sour fish. Okay guys, so now we want to try the sweet and sour fish. We gotta... Now you... Oh, eat it. Yummy. Delicioso. It tastes kind of sweet, it tastes kind of sour.
Iya, ikan asin manis.
I give it 10 out of 10. Everything's 10 out of 10 over here.
Ambil di mana?
So we're gonna finish our food first, then we're gonna eat a cheese croissant with, and then some sausage. These french fries are Lynn 3's french fries. She's eating french fries right now. And so we'll see you after we finish our fish and chips and eat our other damage.
Makan rame-rame lu ya.
So we're gonna eat the sausage.
To me, the sausage.
10 out of 10.
Or you want some french fries? More french fries?
For me is 10 out of 10 too.
French fries, right? Or sausage?
Ooh, there's a lovely view.
It's a view of Aeon Mall. IKEA Jakarta Garden City is across Aeon Mall. And so if you sit over here, you can see the Aeon Mall.
And it's a nice view.
With a big Ferris wheel on it. And the Ferris wheel opens on 2 o'clock, which is kind of sad, you know, because if you want to ride it, you have to wait until 2 o'clock. Now you want to try the cheese croissant? 1-3 is laughing. This is the croissant.
Now.
Say hi. Say hi, Lynn 3.
Doesn't want it.
That's how she answers every time. Oh, she says bye to everybody. Okay, so we want to try this. We gotta cut this into two. Okay, so now we're gonna try the cheese croissant. Let's try.
I'm gonna use 10 sanitizer.
Okay, so they taste 10 out of 10.
I haven't tried it. The crust is
You
good.
like it?
But I can't find the cheese yet. Oh, I see the cheese. I see the cheese. See? That block over here. It's gonna be circle round. It's the cheese. Let's try.
Yummy. The cheese is yummy.
10 out of 10. Yeah, croissant keju. And so, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She just said hi, but she said hi to Yeye, my grandpa. Okay guys, so now we're already out of IKEA and now we are going home.
So,
Thanks for watching this video.
don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
comment, and share. And see you in our next video, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.